I go to a school called Sunrise Elementary School. It is a big and beautiful school with many classrooms, teachers, and students. I am in grade 5. I have many friends in my class. We all like our school very much. My school is near my home. It takes me about 10 minutes to walk there. Every morning, I wake up at 6:30 a.m. I get ready, eat my breakfast, and leave for school by 7:15 a.m. I wear my school uniform. It is blue and white. I like wearing it because it looks nice and clean. The school building has 2 floors. On the first floor, there are many classrooms, the school office, and the teacher's room. On the second floor, we have more classrooms, the computer lab, the library, and the science lab. There is also a big hall where we have meetings and special events. There are 12 classrooms in our school. My classroom is on the second floor. It is big and bright. There are many desks and chairs. We also have a big whiteboard at the front of the class, and a cupboard at the back for our books and school supplies. On the wall, we have charts, drawings, and English words. I sit next to my best friend, Adam. We always help each other in class. Our school has many teachers. They are kind, friendly, and helpful. They teach us many subjects. I study English, math, science, Arabic, history, art, and physical education, PE. My favorite subject is English because I like reading stories and learning new words. I also enjoy science because we do fun experiments in the science lab. We have a timetable. Each class is 45 minutes long. School starts at 8 a.m. and finishes at 2 p.m. We have a short break at 10 a.m. and a long break at 12 p.m. During the breaks, I eat my snacks and play with my friends. We play in the playground behind the school. There is a football field, a basketball court, and some trees. Sometimes we sit on the benches and talk. Sometimes we run and play games like tag. The library in our school is one of my favorite places. It is quiet and full of books. There are storybooks, picture books, and science books. Our librarian helps us choose good books to read. I visit the library every Tuesday with my class. I love reading short English stories and learning new words. The computer lab is also exciting. Each student has a computer. We learn how to type, use the internet, and make presentations. We go to the computer lab once a week. Our computer teacher is very kind and explains everything slowly. I love my school very much. It is a place where I learn, play, read, and grow. I feel safe and happy there. Every day is a new day to learn something new. I am proud to be a student at Sunrise Elementary School.